Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how you can get a night mode in any iPhone rather than in iPhone 11 or 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, which has the night mode options. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to go or open the App Store. In the App Store, you need to search for one application named as UniqueTutorials. So you can see here the UniqueTutorials. So you need to purchase this UniqueTutorials, which is the night mode option, as you can see here, the night mode option. So you purchase it and install it in your iPhone devices. So after installing this applications, open or run it. As you can see, the user interface of this software for the first time. So here you don't need to do anything, just when you click this option, as you can see the yellow button, when you click the option in the yellow mode, so it will be showing that capturing, hold still. So you need to hold it in the steady manner, so you can see that it enhances the pictures, and in the night also it improves quite a lot, and it really works in any iPhone. So I'll be leaving some photos so you can check out, so you keep watching the photos. You can have a night mode in any iPhone rather than which is available only in the iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max or iPhone 11 Pro. But still, if you're using the older iPhones, then still you can have a night mode using these applications. So in my opinion, you should definitely try it out and leave your comments below that how much this camera app has helped you to capture a night photography using your old iPhone devices. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.